Welcome to Westminster. Looks like your basic parking lot here. Kind of a working class mini mall. Lives a cheapskate vegan paradise. And I'm gonna show you three of my favorite spots. Dong Hung Vien Bakery, Thanh Son Tofu, and Vege Wholesale. This is Westminster, known as Little Saigon. 80,000 Vietnamese Americans live here. And we're not too far from Disneyland. Disneyland's like about 15-minute drive this way. We got downtown LA, which is maybe 35 minutes that way. We're not too far from the beach either. I don't think any place matches this location culinarily in Los Angeles. We're not just even talking about the restaurants. We're talking about these grab-and-go places where there's just superior vegan food. The first spot is Dong Hung Vien Bakery. Now, this is a place that's not 100% vegan, but they offer some amazing vegan options. And they make scratch-made proteins, they bake their breads from scratch, and their banh mi's, I feel, are not only some of the best in Los Angeles, but extremely reasonably priced. You can get a scratch-made banh mi for about 10 bucks. I spent $26. I got a baguette, 2 banh mi's, 1 vegan grilled chicken, and 1 lemongrass steak. I also got a croissant and a coconut croissant. And it's a great haul for $26. Both banh mi's are about 10 bucks each. I think the real deal too is the baguette, which they sell for $2.50, which is one of the best baguettes that I've had in Los Angeles. Okay, this is the part where you eat the banh mi in the parking lot because there's really no place to sit. And so I'm just gonna eat half and then I'm saving half for later. And they make this lemongrass steak in-house and it's really delicious. It's like one of my favorite proteins. The bread, freshly made, blending traditions with their bread where it's a French technique, but they also use rice flour. And I guess that's to make it extra crunchy. Anyway, I'm gonna dig in, take a bite, and then move on to the next location. Oh, so good. This is Thanh Son Tofu, about a mile down the road from Dong Hung Vien. And I just want to tell you that there is nothing better than freshly made tofu that's been deep fried, especially Vietnamese style. And this place makes some of the best tofu on the planet. Not 100% vegan place, so you have to be careful what you order, but the specialty is their mushroom lemongrass noodle tofu. And it's spectacular, and that's what I'm gonna get today. And really inexpensive because, you know, obviously I'm a cheapskate vegan. I got the fried mushroom tofu and super delicious. That whole container was 6 bucks. Then I also got some spring rolls and those were $6 as well. So 12 bucks out the door for some of the best food on the planet. Could you believe that I'm in another mini mall parking lot? We're at one of my favorite spots about a mile down the road from Thanh Son Tofu, about a mile from Dong Hung Vien. Vege Wholesale, a place where you can get rare vegan meats and products for not a lot of money. So come along with me. Okay, this whole video has been derailed. I'm on a noodle adventure right now. Kathy told me that I needed to make this important noodle dish, and she knows the place that actually makes these noodles from scratch. So I'm gonna just show you my quick haul that I got, because this is part of a noodle dish that I'm gonna make, because I'm actually gonna go to the place that makes the noodles. Got some vegan fish sauce, 24 vegan, they make the best vegan fish sauce. Chili oil, some sriracha, quat viet. They make a really good soup base. So this is a mock pork base for this particular noodle dish. I also got some vegan fish tofu and some mushroom balls. So hopefully you'll see this integrated within a delicious Vietnamese noodle dish. Okay, so my friend Nas said that I was like the Indiana Jones of vegan foodies. and always searching for treasures? Well, it looks like I'm doing that right now. I'm actually at a place called Phung Inc. Guess they make some delicious rice noodles that I'm gonna try. I'm at another shopping center. Actually, this is the Westminster Shopping Center. I'm gonna get some fresh veg here. Thanks for following me and watching this content. Maybe I'll do the recipe. Like the recipe might be after this. Since I got these amazing super fresh noodles, it's time to make banh canh. It's super famous in Vietnamese circles, but not that well known here in the West, and even more under the radar when it comes to vegan cooking. Really simple preparation. First, I just boiled some water, and using this vegan pork soup base that I got at Vege Wholesale, mixing it in, and as it's simmering, I throw in some vegan fish tofu. Really interesting tofu that has a fish cake consistency, and it's really great in soups. Since this is a seafood forward soup, I'm also throwing in some vegan shrimp. This shrimp is a brand called Loving Hut. It's made from the konjac root. Also throwing in some king oyster mushrooms that I cut into medallions, and some thinly sliced white onion. Flavor-wise, I'm also making sure to add some vegan fish sauce. This is 1x24 vegan, and it really adds that fermented funk and flavor that I crave. I'm also throwing in some 24 vegan chili oil. It really adds a nice flavor without much heat. Now, the star of this show are these rice and tapioca flour banh canh noodles. They're sometimes called the udon of Vietnam, but these are much bouncier because they're not made from wheat like udon. Rice flour and tapioca flour, and they're also naturally gluten-free. They're already cooked, so all you have to do is add them to the soup and it's ready to go. Since I had these noodles in the fridge, I just microwave them for about 30 seconds before putting everything together. Also topping with fresh cilantro. I forgot to add the crunchy fried shallots for the hero shot, but I was able to add them later when I had this for lunch. And there you have it, vegan Vietnamese banh canh. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and amplify this video if you want to see more like it. Also, check out my shorts where I use different fresh rice noodles that I got from the shop. I make Vietnamese spring rolls from fresh banh hoi noodles, and I also make bánh bát chien, a classic Vietnamese street food, normally an egg dish, but completely veganized, using fresh rice noodle cakes.